Agriculture is the foundation of human civilization. But today, traditional farming faces unprecedented challenges: labor shortages, low efficiency, and rising operational costs. StarkFlight is committed to agricultural innovation, working closely with farms to build a smarter, more sustainable ecosystem. Through a unified scheduling platform, we integrate drone and operational resources to deliver standardized, efficient, and cost-effective agricultural services. Farms do not need to purchase equipment or hire additional labor. All operations are provided by StarkFlight, with devices and infrastructure funded through external investment. This cooperation model has already been successfully implemented in multiple countries. StarkFlight is steadily expanding its presence in China, Germany, France, the Philippines, and beyond. We invite global investors to join us in accelerating the modernization of agriculture and sharing in the future of smart farming. StarkFlight, simplifying agriculture, maximizing investment value.